And we are back. We are back with another fine bandsman here. And who do we have?
My name is Chandler Thompson. I'm from Virginia. I'm one of the proud drum majors of Churchland High School, aka the sensational sound of the land. Churchland, that is. And yeah.
Yeah, he is hyped up and ready. I love that energy. All right. How do you think your band did today?
I think we did phenomenal, honestly. We had a few changes in our show and everything. So to see all my bandmates adapt and really come alive during the show, everybody did their role, everybody did their part. And yeah, it was just a very good show, honestly.
I love that answer. Now, out of all of these fine bands out of here, which one do you think is your biggest competition?
Honestly, little butthurt. I want to say nobody can everything, but you know, you got to be humble at sometimes. So I would say across town rivals. I would say I see Northgate.
I see Northgate. They're actually on the field right now.
Like you said, so I shout out to the Great House and everything. They always know how to put on the show and everything. It's been in their blood, so I'll put it like that. They know how to do it.
All right, well. Thank you for joining. Thank you for your time and your performance. Now, you said you have a good closing, so let's get on up out of here. Let's go.
Hey, I can lie. We at Holland Springs right now, and y'all tuning with BandRaw.
Very good.
Aight, look. 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 If you don't got the key, don't even try. You know I'm a lot.
The Chancellor Thompson. We ask you to sit back and let our sensational sound soothe your ears. Drum majors, start your band. As we go into our precision drill to the tune of Move Like Jagger by Maroon 5. Let's slow things down a little bit as we bring forth our flag line, Satin Fire. As they give you something to watch to the tune by a woman by the name of Keisha Cole from her 2005 hit, Love. Our next selection comes all the way from the native of Portsmouth, Virginia, by the name of Missy Elliott, as we feature our drumline, Trucker Groove Company. Sock it to me. As we bring our show to a close, please don't stop the music by Rihanna featuring our dance team, the Dynamic Dancing Pose. All the way from 4301 Cedar Lane, Portsmouth, Virginia. I am Ronald Nash, Director of Bands at Churchland High School. Thank you for allowing us the sensational sound to entertain you. Thank you and have a great evening.
If you don't got the key, don't even try, you know I'm a lot.